Very good morning everyone. In this video we will try to see how to draw ellipse using concentric circle method. Let me open the question. I will read out the question. Draw an ellipse of major diameter axis 150 mm and minor diameter 70 mm by oblong method and concentric circle method. Now we will see how to draw ellipse using concentric circle method. I have already opened this AutoCAD software. Okay, so whenever you open the AutoCAD software, make sure that you click on this gear-like symbol and click this drafting annotation. Okay, next important step with respect to AutoCAD is that you have to type units so that you can set the units that you are going to follow for your diagram. Type units, you'll get a box like this that you select decimal and whatever precision you want you can select. Then make sure that the unit is set to millimeters. Then you have to set the limits. Lower left corner is 0, 0. Upper right corner as per your wish you can select the size of the screen. Okay, I'm typing it as 1000, 1000 upper right corner. Then press enter. Okay, next we'll try to solve the question. Okay, so when you're trying to solve this ellipse using concentric circle method, where we have to draw two circles. Okay, so we have to draw two circles with the diameter equal to major axis and minor axis value. Okay, so let's see how to draw that. So when you see the in the top you have an option called circle, that you have an option called center and diameter. I'm clicking on that. So it is asking us to select the specify the center point. I'm randomly selecting a center point. Then I'm giving the diameter value equal to major axis and minor axis. So 150 mm. Okay. Again I'm clicking on the circle, click center comma diameter with the same with the center of the previous circle. We are drawing another circle for a diameter of 70 mm. Click on that center, then view the diameter value is 70. Okay, so this is the first step. Then you have to draw a line. Okay, so from through the which passes through the center of the circles. Make sure that ortho is on by pressing F8. Okay, so then only it will be coming as a straight line. Okay, so let's see how to draw that line. Select this as the first point and this end as the second point. You got a line. Next what we are going to do is that we are going to divide the circle into 12 equal parts. Okay, for that what we can do is that you can use a command called polar array. If you see in the top portion here, there is an option called array. Click on that arrow. Then there is an option called polar array. Click on that polar array. Okay, it is asking us to select the object. Select this line. Okay, then press enter. Then it is asking us to specify the center point of the array. So select the center point of the circle. Then you get an options like how many items. Okay, you can give it as 12. Then press enter. You'll get the circle divided into 12 equal parts. So we have divided the circle into 12 equal parts. Next we'll see the procedures for constructing the ellipse. Type line. Okay, go to this corner and draw a vertical line. Okay, of a random length. Similarly, from this point you draw a horizontal line and extend up to the line, up to the vertical line which you have drawn. Okay, so just connect them and use trim command to trim the unwanted portion. So whenever you are trimming, zoom in the diagram which you have drawn so that it will be easy for us to trim. Okay, same procedures you have to do for the other divisions also. Now we will again repeat the procedure. I'm trying drawing a line again. So click on that point, click on this point, extend to a certain length, don't touch this line. make sure that ortho is on. So I have drawn a line. Again from this corner, you draw another horizontal line. Find the intersection points, then remove that external line using trim command as we did for the previous case. Just zoom in and then trim it. Okay. Now we have found out the intersection points. The same procedures has to be repeated on the other sides of the circle also. So instead of doing it individually, we can use a command called a mirror. Okay, type mirror and select the objects that you want to mirror. Okay, I'm selecting this all the objects which I have drawn. Okay, then press enter. Then it is asking us to specify the point of mirror line. So I will mirror about this line. Okay, so I have got that on the right side of the circle. Similarly, we can do the same thing for the bottom portion of the circle also. And if you see the screen, it is asking whether you want to erase the source objects. You click no. Okay. Again, type mirror. It is asking us to select the object. Select all those four objects. Then press enter. Now we are going to mirror about this horizontal line. Erase source objects, no. So these are the steps you have to do with respect to constructing a circle. Now we have to use spline command to construct the ellipse. Okay, select this point as the center. You switch off ortho. Just connect the intersection points. You have to select the intersection points and connect them using spline commands. Okay, then enter. So this is the procedure. Now we can highlight this ellipse which we have drawn using command called pedit. Okay, so select the ellipse which you have drawn, then press, you want to turn into one, yes, press Y, and precision just to give the same value. Then we can change the width of the ellipse which you have drawn in order to highlight them from other lines. Okay, so change the width as per your wish. We can give the width. I'm just giving it as 0.75. Okay, so you get the ellipse width little bit higher than the other lines. You can see that it is highlighted properly. Now we can change the line color of the ellipse also by selecting any one colors of your wish. Okay, so what you can do, you can just select the ellipse and select the color which you want to. Okay, so this is the procedure for constructing the ellipse using concentric circle method, and you can view the dimensions also. So go to dimension, you can see diametries option is there. Select the circle. So dimension is not visible, so we know this dim style command which helps us to change the text size as well as arrow size. We get a box like this, then click modify. Text height you can give it as 5 mm. Then symbol arrows also you can increase the size. Okay, then click OK, then set current, then close. You can see the diameter is now clearly visible. Similarly, you can mark the diameter of the smaller circle. So that is 70 mm. Okay, next thing is that we have to just name the intersection points. Okay, so for that you can just use this text command. Just to stripe the start point. Height it is asking. I will give it as 5. Rotation angle 0. Then you can just type text 1. Let me change the color so that it is a little bit visible. I'll give black itself. Okay. Again I type text. I'll just pay this as the start point. Height I'll give it as 3. Okay, rotation angle is 0. Then type the text which you want to give. So what I do is that I'll mark all the intersection points 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 11 points are there that you can give the numbers 1 2. As it is black, it is not visible, so what I can do is that I can change the color. I'll delete it and again do it, change the color to white. Text, specify the start point here. Height 3 already given, rotation angle 0. Then you can just type 1, then click 2 3 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. After typing this, what you can do, you can just move the point which you have written now to the location wherever you want. Likewise for all the remaining points. Repeat the same procedure, just moving the already typed in 4. Then you can just select the letter, move, and then move to the required location. Seven. Select the number, click on that blue color rectangular box. Then 12 alone you can type it here. So this is how you can name the intersection points. Also you can name the uh, division, that is each point on the circle also. That can also be done with the same procedures which you have seen now. Okay, So this is how we have to construct an ellipse using concentric circle method. And in the next video, we will try to understand how to solve the ellipse using oblong method. Okay, thank you.